Hey, I just wanted to welcome you to this video with me, Alex Watson. Today we're going to tackle a real estate concept in 2 minutes or less. We're going to look at how to differentiate between real estate and real property. So when you think real estate, the first thing that should come to your mind should be land plus improvements. And when we're talking about improvements, we're talking renovating the bathroom, those kitchen renovations, putting up a fence around the home, things like that. So what's real property? Real property is going to be the land, the improvement, and the bundle of rights associated with that property. So we've got a cool acronym for understanding and remembering the bundle of rights when studying for your real estate exam. So the D stands for disposition, which is just the right to sell, lease, and use that property at will. Then we have enjoyment, the right to enjoyment of that property, being able to use that property as you see fit. Exclusion, just the right to prevent others from coming into your property and using it without your consent. Possession is just the right to possess the property as the title holder, and the title just means, as we all know, evidence of ownership. So as the individual who has ownership of that property, they have the right to occupy in it, live in it, breathe in it, use it as they see fit. And then we have C, which just stands for control, which allows that owner to control the use of the property. If he wants to rent it out, sell it, lease it, it's very similar to disposition. So personal property, we have means chattel, personality, or movable. And from my man Joe at Perp Agent, he has a cool, accurate way to remember this. When you were thinking about personal property, you want to think cattle. Chattel sounds like cattle. And when cattle's move, so movable. So personal property is movable property.